Hello, I am Fire Captain Juan Jalomo. Consumer fireworks can be extremely dangerous. It only takes seconds for fireworks to cause extreme property damage or third-degree burns. Each year, thousands of Americans are seriously hurt or maimed by handling fireworks. Most victims are under 15 years old. Small fireworks, bottle rockets, and sparklers cause the most injuries. In fact, that sparkler that you hand over to a child can burn over 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit. So please leave fireworks to the experts. Remember, setting off fireworks within McAllen city limits is illegal and you can be fined. So be safe, be smart, and protect your children. A friendly message from your McAllen Fire Department.